What's up, bassinators? Hope you guys are all keeping well. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I've been busy. I had a couple of things to do. Also, in between all that, got myself a new rig, nice new boat, which you guys probably caught a glimpse of it on the last video I had. But I will do a little video, a little show around of the boat, and what I've done to it and what I've added. But we also got Jean, my boat partner, for the next season of FLW. We got his boat wrapped with our new sponsors information, and got a nice new fish finder installed on his boat, so that's pretty cool. You will see that today. We'll do some cinematics on the boat and the fish finder, so you guys can see what are we going to be fishing off. Quick glimpse, but you will see it. We want to thank our new sponsor, Transvaal Training, Mike Posthumous, for sponsoring us the fish finder and being part of the team timols for the new FLW season. So thanks a lot. And obviously Timols Fishing Tackle, they've supported us for the last couple of years and are still supporting us, so big shout out to him too. And our other sponsor, ET Secret Baits, who have been also very helpful with us in the previous seasons, giving us tackle and free baits to use that have actually won us competitions and all that. So guys, to a awesome season for 2019 for the FLW. So hopefully we can do well and show you guys some awesome footage throughout the year. But okay, cool, man. Let's see how the day goes today. We're going to be out fishing at Bronkies for a little bit, mainly to play around with the fish finder and get the hang of it, and take out the boat with the new wrap out and just have a bit of fun. So yeah, myself and John will be out in the water, and we'll catch you there. See you in a little bit. Peace. So guys, here we are on the water. Finally, we are hopefully going to start catching some fish. I've started this morning with the Ned rig and hoping to get a couple of bites on the Ned rig, and Let's see how it goes.
Eventually.
Slow rolling. Okay. Slow rolling. Okay.
Shit.
Nice to know that eating bloody moving right there.
Just lost. Alright fish, not big, but hit me on the underspin with the pedal tail. And right at the boat he came off. Wow. Was not expecting that though, but hey.
Hey, more than one fish off the street.
At first I thought I got stuck. Like it was right there in the reeds, eh?
You know how deep is it next to this?
Really? There we go. Very light coloured fish, eh? And it was caught that on the Mojo rig. One of ET Secret's. What's just the stretch 30s, eh? Stretch 30s. And a little fishy. Finally, we've broken the ice on the boat. Hey, quick release. And off camera, Jean caught one. Finally found a little bit of a pattern. Let's see if it stays now. So guys, the day has come to an end. The fishing was super tough. I think we got 2 or 3 fish each. I think John got 3 or 4 actually. I got 2. So it wasn't so great. Playing around with the new fish finder was quite nice. You know, just seeing how the structure looks and all that. So that was pretty cool. The boat is looking cool, and it runs nicely and everything. So yeah, I think we're pretty much ready for the new season. But yeah, let's hope the fishing gets better, because today's fishing was horrible. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Next video should be a little walk around my new boat, my new rig. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. See you guys in soon. Cheers. Peace.